There is no hoop, so you cannot score. Hey guys, it's Dami here from Clientele Boosters, and today I want to talk about the Facebook Pixel and why you must create it when setting up marketing online with Meta. Whether you're in the service space, you're in products and e-commerce, a lot of you at some point have probably tried to run an Instagram ad to grow your following, tried to run a Facebook ad for your e-commerce business. Many business owners, industry agnostic, make the same mistake of setting up an ad, whether it's for engagement, for conversions, and they don't set up the Facebook Pixel correctly. The reason why it's crucial to set up your Facebook Pixel correctly is because it allows Facebook to collect data that can be collated and used to then make sure that the algorithm is going to work in your favor. When you're setting up a Facebook ad, you're able to look at the amount of audiences that you want to target. If you are running ads on Facebook and Instagram, you might be getting results, you might be getting sales, you might be getting conversions, but if you cannot track it, you cannot in any way make it predictable over a long period of time. Now, the reason why Facebook Pixels are also important, and this is a short one, is because you want to use it for what's called retargeting. So you've probably sometimes seen an ad on Facebook or Google. Let's just use an example. You wanted a scooter and you're telling your friends in the car, and you wanted a scooter from Rebel Sports, and you mentioned it 5 times over the last 3-4 months. And then somehow Rebel Sports targets you on Facebook. What's happened to you is because of your activity across different platforms, particularly Facebook, they've now used that data to bipartisan retarget you and put that ad and place it in front of places that are most likely to find you again and incentivize you to make a buying decision. So guys, it's really important to use and set up the Facebook Pixel correctly when running Meta ads, because it now creates a hoop that allows you to score, and you'll be swishing all day if you set it up correctly, and it will save you a lot of time and make you a lot of money. Enjoy your day. That's my short rant. See ya. Bye-bye.